This is a day in the life of a cloud security engineer. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to be trying to take you through a day in my life as I work as a cloud security engineer. I've been doing this for about a year, but I've been working in cloud in total for about 2 years, and I can give you an idea of what it looks like to work as a cloud security engineer. I do enjoy what I do, and I do find it really interesting. And in this video, I really want to walk you through what we do, some of the responsibilities of a cloud security engineer. And I just want to help people watching to give them an idea of what it looks like for those who want to be a cloud security engineer or those who already are. This is what my life looks like. Oh snap, I think someone's calling me. I'll talk to you guys later. We could just wait a few minutes for Caleb to join. Caleb, there you are. Morning, guys. Welcome to today's update call. Today I'm just having this quick call with our new intern, Jacob, and we just want to learn more about what you're up to and what you're working on to give Jacob a little taste of what type of stuff we work on in the team. So could you just give a quick update on what you've been working on recently?
Yeah, sure. Well, I've actually been working on some really cool stuff. One of the things I've been working on is the new virtual networks we're creating for our new virtual desktop estate. We've been working with the clients to secure them in the way they want with the NSGs or the network security groups. We've been ensuring that we cover the ports that they need to use and we block any other ports which are untrusted. We've also been working on an MFA project at this new company, and what we're trying to do is we're trying to use conditional access policies to make sure that only devices in specific locations are being used. So we've created a policy that will only allow people in the UK, US, and India to use their systems, and anyone accessing the system from outside that location will be blocked. That's about it for me. Other than that, today I've got a few meetings and I'm going to be doing some training as well.
Thanks so much, Caleb. I hope you have a really good rest of your day.
Thanks, guys. Take care. See ya. Bye.
Okay, now that that's done, let's talk about some of the key responsibilities of a cloud security engineer to give you guys an understanding of what someone in this position actually does. Now, the first responsibility which I want to mention is identifying threats to the cloud systems. A threat is anything that could potentially cause harm to the system. And a big part of a cloud security engineer's role is to identify these threats to ensure that the company or organization is protected against them if they potentially are actioned. Another key responsibility of a cloud security engineer is implementing new cloud security features into the organization's systems. As I mentioned on the update call, I'm implementing some cool new technology using conditional access, using network security groups, using different things within Azure, and this is one of my key responsibilities. In the tech industry, things change all the time. New updates come out, new technology comes out, and understanding this technology and potentially implementing it into your company, part of the role of a cloud security engineer. Another really big responsibility is identity and access management, or IAM. And this has a lot to do with authentication and authorization. In a nutshell, this is approving and denying the access of individuals to the systems. And it's also choosing which part of the system an individual or a group of individuals is allowed to access. And this could be for employees, or this could be from external users who are coming onto the system temporarily. And the final responsibility, which is definitely a big one to mention, is incident response. Whenever something goes wrong with one of the systems which you've implemented or that's been implemented long in the past, it's your job to respond and try and troubleshoot or mitigate the impact of this incident. And depending on where you work, this could be an on-call sort of thing, or this could be within working hours. There are times that things will go wrong late in the night and they'll have to call somebody, and it could be you. Or maybe it's on a weekend and the systems are down. They have to call someone and it might be the cloud security engineer. Who knows? This really depends on the company you work for and the role you've decided to take. I hope these key responsibilities have helped you gain a really good understanding of what a cloud security engineer does. And I hope the stuff I've said in this video actually helps people to understand what I do as a cloud security engineer. Day in the life of a cloud security engineer. I've got a lot to do and I'm about to head out, so stay tuned. As 5 PM draws near, I begin to wind down and get ready for the day's end. I pack up my... Oh, flip. Let me take this. As I was saying, as 5 PM draws near, I begin to wind down and get ready for the end of the day. I pack up all my work equipment and I wind down with a few video games, and this is usually how I relax after a long day of work. I am a sports kind of gamer, so I play things like FIFA and 2K, but I do have one or two other games which I play as well that are not sports related. And after a bit of gaming, I'll be heading to the gym for a workout. And with all this sitting down behind a screen and typing on a laptop, some movement is always necessary through the day. So I'll be heading to the gym shortly after this. Thanks so much for watching this day in the life all the way to the end. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I make some great content on cloud engineering, cybersecurity, and the tech industry. So subscribe to the channel, follow me on LinkedIn and Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.